first vlog of the day. It's a Monday morning. It's kind of late now. It's probably about 9, 10. Yeah, 10. I got up late today. Let me turn this thing down. Pause it. I actually got up late today. It was a tiring weekend, guys. You know, if I go back, take it back a little bit, Friday, you know, I was running around picking up the sink and stuff like that. I believe it was Friday. Then Saturday I had to go to Nashville to get those tiles. Boy, those tiles was heavy. Well, they're smaller tiles, like small 6x6 tiles, but it's just a lot of them. So when by the time I put all of them in the van, it was really heavy. But it's thousands of tiles, probably about, I would probably say it's over 1,000 tiles, you know, maybe 2,000 tiles. But because they're small, they're like 6x6 tiles, commercial kitchen tiles, but they're kind of heavy per tile in terms of they're like stone tiles, quarry tiles, for those who know about it. But you're taking up stacks at a time like this, and your wrist hurts, your fingers hurts, because it's 3 pallets. It's a lot of tiles. You'll see the clips. Anyhow, I already vlogged that part. So you know, did that Saturday, drove 4 hours, 4 hours went and 4 hours came back. So I was super tired Saturday night. You know, had to come back and cook for our little river trip yesterday on Sunday. So by the time I got to bed, it was like probably like 1 in the morning. And then we got up 5 in the morning. I got up 5 in the morning, went down here, got my daughter, got to swap out the truck, do all of that, and head up to the river. And we're there all day yesterday. So this morning, guys, I ain't gonna lie, I'm beat, I'm tired. Right now it's 10. I came back to drop my daughter, and you know, so now I'm gonna head back home and just chill out a little bit, do some editing, edit this video just so my body could recoup. Right now my legs are in pain, my fingers are in pain, my wrist in pain. Wrist is because of the tiles. You grab stacks of tiles like this, you're bending down, you're kneeling down, you're squatting, so all my muscles hurt. Every single muscle is from my back, my arms, every muscle in my body hurt. I need to start going back to the gym, guys. That's when you don't go to the gym, that's what happens. Any little thing that you do that you don't normally do, your muscles is gonna hurt. So today I'm just super tired. So right now I'm gonna head back home and just rest up a little bit and get these videos edited. I haven't posted anything from Friday, I believe. So I have Saturday, Sunday, and then today's video. I'm out 2 days now, guys. But because I was out there by the river, and Saturday I was driving all day, there's no time. There wouldn't be any time to do any editing. It's a one-man show. I'm videoing this and I'm editing at nights, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to figure out, maybe I should have done like a live while I was driving out there. And when you do the lives, then you don't have to worry about, you know what I'm saying, editing. It's just a live. Whatever you record, that's what you get, you know. And then that would have been saved. I believe that's how it works. You would save it and then it goes straight to YouTube. Like, so people could watch it after, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna, you know, head home, edit some video. Today is gonna be a short video as well. There's not much to do. I'm still looking up, I was looking at a sink in Alabama, which is about 2 hours away from us. It's closer, the closer part of Alabama. So I was looking at that sink with a faucet. I told the guy I would have came today to get it. However, he sold it over the weekend. You know, they text me back and said somebody local swing by and took it. So with Facebook Marketplace, it's always, you can't give up sure for unsure. If I'm selling somebody something and someone tell me Monday, I'm going to tell them okay, right? But I'm not going to hold it for them. If somebody shows up before, I'm going to sell it to the first person. So, you know, that's the way it goes when it comes to Facebook. You can't, even me, if I'm selling something, I ain't gonna be holding anything for no one. So I don't expect anyone to hold anything for me, you know. So that's how Facebook works. It's just a first come first serve basis, and even without first come first serve, it's up to you who you want to sell it to. Even if that person have the money, it's up to you, you know. All right, so today's vlog is not gonna be a busy vlog. As I said, you know, I'm on the road now, but I'm gonna go home. I'll probably just do some little bit of editing with me, a little bit of vlogging at me at the house in the back, or while I'm editing the videos or something. Yesterday was a great day. Everybody enjoyed themselves, you know. They loved the river. I took my dad, my daughter, the older one, the younger one. Everyone was there on both sides of the family, my family. So they all enjoyed themselves. We went tubing down the river. I had some shots of that where we tubing. I brought my GoPro, so I got some shots of that in the water and stuff like that. So, you know, that it's in Helen, Georgia, for those who might want to know. Helen, Georgia, the Cool River tubing. They got different tubing places up there, but we're tube on the Chattahoochee River. And they have like 1 hour trips or 2 hour trips where you pay one money. It's pretty cheap. It's like $18. Normally when you pay for parking, the parking covers your ticket, so you know, it's technically free parking, and then you know you pay for the ticket to tubing, or the cover that parking ticket pretty much covers your tubing cost. So we paid pretty much just for the ticket. The ticket is like $18, right? So $18 for the ticket to go tubing, and you could either go a 1 hour trip or a 2 hour trip. The 1 hour, they just drop you off at the earliest place, the bus that takes you up with the tube. They drop you off at the 1 hour section, or if you want to go 2 hour section, they take you up further upriver, and then you tube all the way from up there, come down, and then so it's a simple setup, pretty good. You just park where the Cool River tubing office is, and then pay them the money, jump in one of those bus and go upriver. And you could just pretty much do that over and over. You don't have to. You could go up there, tube down for an hour, and jump in the bus and go back up and keep doing that till they close. So it's pretty cool. They have areas to change. They have bathrooms. They got lockers. They got places to put your personal belongings, stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. They have grill area, you know, picnic areas over there. You do have to come early though. If you want to secure a spot, you got to go there early, because it fills up real quick. You know. But yeah, it was pretty good. It was a pretty good day. It was fun. We did some cooking and by the river, hot dogs, burgers, and I also brought food that I cooked before the night before, barbecue chicken and rice and stuff like that. So it was a good day. So yeah, guys, I'm heading back home now. I'm gonna regroup. I have a list of things I need to do. I'm gonna pack out some of the stuff that was in the truck, in the bed of the truck. Still got the grill in there, so I'm gonna take all that stuff out and wash it out. So I'll probably vlog that, me doing that. But for the most part, I'm gonna take it easy today. I'm not going to do anything in terms of the restaurant. I'm gonna get back to that tomorrow. So we'll see from here what we gotta do tomorrow. I'm gonna make a list of what I need to do. I do need to get a sink and stuff like that, and a mop sink and those things I wanted to get so I could put them in place, so we could line up everything. I didn't want the hood guy to come out, you know, don't know exactly where to put everything. So I wanted to get the sink and the mop sink and the single compartment sink. I got that already, so I'm just gonna order those. I think I'm just gonna order those online and get those. That way we could put them in place before the hood guy put his thing in, just to get a general idea where all the equipment is gonna go. So that's why I wanted to get those, you know. And then of course the plumber is gonna start doing his thing. So I wanted to have those items so he could know exactly where everything's gonna go. So, you know. Yeah, so between today and tomorrow I'm gonna order the mop sink and the mop sink and the 3-tier sink. I already got the single copper. Oh, and I need the hand wash sink as well. I have one already, but I'm gonna get another one. So I need all those just to put them in place to see where they're gonna go. Alright guys, so I'm gonna head back up. I'm gonna close this one out, and then catch up with you as the day go by. Alright.